We're just coming up to my dad's 80th birthday. I had the idea that it'd be lovely to do something for him and wanted to link it to a passion of his. Land Rover's definitely in the blood. They've been in family life ever since I can remember. So I wrote to Land Rover and never really expected to get the response that I did. This for me is just about doing something really special for somebody really special.
Morning, Mr. Cooper. Happy birthday, sir. Apart from Land Rover, we have a special surprise for you today.
Do you want to meet Willis? This is lovely, isn't it?
Dad's relationship with Land Rover started before I was born.
This bit on the right now, that was my showroom there.
They had a very old Land Rover and he was able to do Land Rover trialling with it. He told me about the first trial he went along to.
I went to this rally at Weston-on-the-Green, which was near Bicester. I was fortunate enough to win it, which surprised me.
My first actual memory of it was when I was 4 and we started to go away as a family to the Land Rover trial weekends.
One of my memories was getting stuck up a tree. That was a bit of a laugh and give the crowd a bit of amusement.
Yeah, we could end up with 10 of us in the back of a Land Rover at one point. There's memories like that I just cherish.
Hello Jeff, pleased to meet you.
Thank you.
Get your seatbelt on.
You've got a good truck here, haven't you?
It's great, isn't it? You know, years and years and years ago, they actually did testing work in here. You know, I mean, now it's just purely a demonstration. It shows how much the vehicles have come on. But you wouldn't believe you're in the middle of a factory, would you?
No.
You could be in the middle of the Amazon now, you know.
Dad was always a very recognisable character. He had a trademark of wearing a bowler hat. I think it almost became a sort of good luck charm as well. It was something that he wouldn't compete without.
In your days, with your trialling, you'd have had to get out there with a big stick, wouldn't you? Walk through it, get your feet
That's
wet.
right, yeah.
This one, we give that a press, and that's called our wade sensing. So that's going to tell us how deep it is.
A lot of the fun was when the vehicles got stuck and you either had to have somebody winch them out or you all had to, pile on the back for the extra weight.
Really just inch it along, because it will go quite steep. And
Oh my God.
So break off now, and that's your hill descent now doing
Whoa.
it. That was good. Not many people go down a real one-in-one.
I look back extremely fondly on those times. Just time with friends and family, as well as his great passion with the Land Rovers. I think to my dad, family is just the most important thing in his life.
This is Land Rover Reborn Car Zero. We had a fully rebuilt in the factory.
How much could I buy that for?
And this vehicle, since it's been restored, has never been tested off-road.
It's just about to.
This is hopefully my contribution to celebrating a wonderful 80 years and hopefully still some more to come.
If you're going to go off-road driving, you're missing something, aren't you? This.
It says, happy birthday from all of us at Land Rover. I raise my hat to you. Thank you.